Hello guys, welcome to CoderCrab. So today we'll see a very interesting topic, that is flat and flat map, right? Okay, so what is flat? Flat is used to change, or you can say normalize a sub array and make it fall into a parent array. That means, what does that mean? So it will resolve the sub array. So let's see an example. That will be, first we'll see a very easy example. Let's say your array is this one, and this array is having 12, 121. Let's say these four values. So if you'll see this array, all are in same level, like there is no sub array. Okay, so if I'll add next value as 56, so now if you'll see that this array is inside another array, right? So if I want to see all the elements in a same label, it is going to be difficult, right? It's going to, if you'll get each element, then you have to go for the last one, and the last elements again you need to go for this first zero value. Again, if you will have some 2-3 values here, you have to access in that way, right? So this is the subarray. Okay, this is the subarray of the bigger array, right? So let's see how so if I'll print this particular thing, if you'll see ARR, I just print it. So you see, it is saying you have this is value, and fourth index is having another set of index, 0th index, again like this. So how would I make it, how would I normalize it, right? So let's see. So there's a very particular function which you can utilize for this purpose, that is flat. Okay, so let's see, arr dot flat. Now see the output. Okay, so all the inner data, or all the inner subarray or all the subarray data is now in a same label as the other elements. Now if we change this subarray to one more label, like let's say I have another array inside this subarray, there is another subarray, and I have some values. Okay, so if I'll save this, now see, this is becoming another array. It could resolve to one level because by default it takes one. Okay, now if I'll put 2, you will see it will be able to resolve. See, now if I'll put one more level, then this will not work. Okay, then we have to put 3. So it is like this, you need to resolve, right? So now what if we don't know the levels, right? So yes, so there is always a possibility with the infinity, right? So you can put infinity. Okay, if you put infinity, yes, it can easily do it, any number, right? Now what is flat map? So flat map is something which will allow you to traverse through it. So let's see, flat map, then item, use arrow function. Here I can put console.log, let's say item, then here, then item. Okay, now if you'll see, this is one level only. Okay, so now if I'll utilize this dot map item, see, can I do this? Yes, everything will be in one level only. Just to identify, yes. Now as we came to know, so this is the second, both these ways are similar. Okay, the only difference is flat map will go only depth 1. It cannot go beyond it, right? So if you have a depth, like here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 depth, right? So we cannot go with the flat map here. So how we need to do that? We need to do this way. Okay, so you can have more than one number here, but in case of flat map, it is actually flat of one, then map. Okay, so that is flat map. So now let's go and put a very complex object. So I have put a very complex object here. I'll just comment this code out. Okay, then I'll utilize this infinity thing and I'll just print it. So let's see. And we have this obj. I need to put this obj is the for the flatting. Okay, so see, now it is cleared everything, right? It is brought everything to first level. Every sub aware of that what level of data would be present inside an array. So what depth would be there. So you can utilize this and filter your data and get it in a proper way. Thank you.